Good morning class. In previous class we study about the radioactive decay of first order reactions, means first order type radioactive decay chemical reaction. In this class we are going to study pseudo order reactions and higher order reactions, means the reaction which are pseudo and the reaction which have order more than 3 or 4. So in this class we study about the first topic is pseudo order reaction. Pseudo order reaction. In a elementary reaction, if the molecularity or order of reaction is different, then we said that these type of reactions are pseudo order reactions. Means if in a reaction molecularity not order of reaction, then we said that these type of reactions are called pseudo order reaction. The condition is the reaction must be a elementary reaction. Elementary reaction means the reaction must complete in one step. So the statement of pseudo order reaction is in a elementary chemical reaction, if the order and molecularity of reaction are not equal, then we say that these type of reactions are pseudo order chemical reactions or pseudo chemical reactions. Means if the molecularity and the order of a elementary reactions are different, then these type of reactions are called pseudo order reactions. Now we take example to understand the pseudo order reactions. First example is hydrolysis of methyl acetate. Hydrolysis of methyl acetate. The hydrolysis of methyl acetate in the presence of dilute HCl is according to following reaction. According to following reactions means CH3, C double bond O, CH3. This is the methyl acetate which hydrolyze in the presence of dilute HCl, or we can write H plus. It gives acetic acid or methyl alcohol. Means by seeing that the molecularity of this reaction is 2, because the participating species in these reactions are 2. The first species is methyl acetate and second species is water. So, the molecularity of this reaction is 2. Hence, we write since according to stoichiometry, two species are participating. According to stoichiometry, two species are participating. So, the rate depends on the concentration of methyl acetate and water. Hence, rate of reaction is represented as K multiply CH3, COO, CH3 and the concentration of water. So, this is the rate expression according to stoichiometry or molecularity of the reaction. This is according to stoichiometry and molecularity of the reaction seen. But when we experimentally determine this reaction, it obeys first order kinetics. Means when we experimentally analyze this hydrolysis of methyl acetate, it came out as the rate depends only the concentration of methyl acetate, but not on the concentration of water. So, in the rate expression only concentration of methyl acetates is depends. This is due to because in this reaction the concentration of water, in this reaction the concentration of water is taken into excess amount. So, the concentration change of water is negligible during the reaction. So, due to this, the rate of reaction only depends on the concentration of methyl acetate. So, we write, but when we analyze this reaction, experimentally it obey first order kinetics means the rate of reaction only depends on the concentration of methyl acetate, only on the concentration of methyl acetate. So, in pseudo order reaction, the molecularity of this reaction is 2, but the order of the reaction came out equals to 1. Methyl acetate hence rate of reaction equals to K CH3 C double bond O CH3. It does not depend on the concentration of water. So, the hydrolysis of methyl acetate is a pseudo first order reaction because the molecularity is 2, but the order of the reaction is 1. Order of the reaction is 1. So, this is the pseudo first order chemical reaction. Now, we discuss another example in which the molecularity and the order of reaction is also different and this also came out as a pseudo order reaction. So, our second example is reaction of acetic anhydride with alcohol. Reaction of acetic anhydride with alcohol. The reaction of acetic anhydride means this is the acetic anhydride, acetic anhydride. It reacts with alcohol in this reaction. The molecularity of the reaction is 2. So, the molecularity of reaction is 1 and 2 plus equals to 3. The molecularity of this reaction is 3. The product is So, in this reaction, the molecularity of this reaction is 3. Equals to 3 means the rate of reaction is given as according to stoichiometry. This product is plus H2. ठीक है, according to the stoichiometry, rate equals to K CH3 CO O C double bond O CH3 and alcohol the power 2. So, for this reaction according to stoichiometry, the rate expression is given as K multiply acetic anhydride plus alcohol. But when we analyze again this reaction experimentally, it is came out that this reaction is also a first order reaction, means this reaction only depends upon the concentration of acetic anhydride, means we write in this reaction the rate of reaction depends only on the concentration of acetic anhydride so the order of the reaction is 1. The rate of reaction is given as rate of reaction equals to K CH3 COO CO CH3 means since the molecularity of this reaction is 3 but the order of the reaction is 1, so this is also pseudo first order type of reaction. In this reaction the rate of reaction only depends upon the concentration of this acetic anhydride, but the rate of reaction doesn't depend on the concentration of alcohol, because the concentration of alcohol is taken in the excess amount and during this reaction the concentration change of alcohol is negligible. So, the rate only depends on the concentration change of acetic anhydride and become pseudo first order reaction. To understand the pseudo reactions, we take our last example, which is inversion of sucrose. Inversion of sucrose. Inversion of sucrose. Here we write the inversion of sucrose is given as C12H22O11. This is the sucrose. This reaction takes place in the presence of water and acid H plus. It gives us glucose and fructose. This is the sucrose. This is glucose. This is fructose. This is the inversion of sucrose. So, we write according to stoichiometry the rate expression is written as rate equals to K concentration of sucrose and concentration of water. Means the order of the reaction according to this expression is came out equals to 2 and the molecularity of this reaction is also 2. One species is sucrose, another species is water. But again when we analyze this reaction experimentally, the rate of reaction doesn't depend on the concentration of water. It only depends on the concentration of sucrose. Hence, the order of the reaction becomes again 1. So, the molecularity is 2, but the reaction order becomes 1. Hence, this is also a pseudo first order reaction. So, we write when we analyze this reaction experimentally, the rate of reaction only depends on the concentration of sucrose hence rate of reaction equals to K concentration of sucrose since the molecularity of this reaction is 2, but the order of reaction came out equals to 1. Therefore, this is a pseudo first order reaction. So the conclusion of this topic is, if the molecularity of an elementary reaction and order of a elementary reaction are came out different, then this type of chemical reaction is called pseudo first order reactions or pseudo order reactions. Means for this the molecularity and order of reaction are different. For a elementary reaction, we said that these reactions are pseudo order reactions. Now we discuss the reaction of higher order, means the reaction which have more than 3 order of reaction. So we calculate the formula for the analysis of rate of reaction for the higher order reactions. Our next topic is reactions of nth order. Nth order means order equals to n. Means those reaction whose order is n, the value of n is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nu. So let consider a chemical reaction which is nth order reaction. Na goes to product, means this is the nth order reaction in which the n number of molecules of A is taken. We also consider that suppose the initial concentration of A is small a. After some time, the amount A is reduced, amount of A is reduced, and it becomes A minus X. Means in this reaction the initial concentration of the reactant A is small a. After some time the amount of A is reduced and it becomes A minus X. Hence the remaining concentration is A minus X, So this is the our initial consideration to this reaction. We can write